Hey guys, how are you all doing? I'm doing great. Welcome back to another new vlog. तो finally मेरे exams खत्म हो चुके हैं and it's the time for Dasra vacation. Of course, नवरात्रि के time पे we are gonna vibe a lot, the dandiya nights and so much of fun. But उससे ज़्यादा important है हमारी पढ़ाई. तो along with that, you need to be able to manage all this because we have planned so much to complete in this vacation. And if you be lazy throughout the vacation and do not complete the task that you have planned to do, you are gonna regret a lot after the vacation. The same thing happened with me in 11th, but that was 11th. This is 12th. We just have 3 more months left. That is nearly 90 to 93 days, but it is the most precious time. We can still prove what we are since we have got a good chance of at least 3 months. Grasp your chances as they come because it's the approaching of the goal. It is just ahead of us and it might be the turning point of our life. You know what? The large tasks of the world are hidden under the smallest chances sought with calm patience and cool courage. This line proves that chances are very rare, and if you get a chance, that's great. Just grasp it and find your opportunity in it. The main part is to do. If you got a chance, start doing. Start putting on the work in it. The doer is the digger and the digger is the builder. The doer is the mover and the mover is the winner. Do it now. Do it today. Do the things you start. Do the things you have at heart. Do what the other fellow can but doesn't. Do while there's time. Do while there's life, and do while there's hope. Do for your own sake. Do because you love to. Do because you must. Do because this is the way to start to win. Well, this will easily motivate anyone because when I was reading this quote, I got mesmerized with it. There is still more actually. Do the job at hand. Do when it shines and do when it rains. Do through the frowns and do through the smiles. Do on your legs and do at your desk. Do after you have failed and do after you have won. But no matter whether early or late, whether here or there, do it. Just do it. I'm gonna upload this as a YouTube short very early because ये इतना अच्छा है ना. I love it. You guys remember me saying that consistent practice and self-reflection are key to rock any exam? That's true. But उसके अलावा you need a guide that will help you do all this. And the guide which I'm talking here right now is a book. A book which boosts up our confidence and also makes our preparation for exams much easier. So let me introduce you all to the Physics Wala sample question papers, which includes cheat sheets to revise your concepts and 15 sample question papers. These books also include the topper answers and explanations which will help us to learn from common mistakes and the much better way in answering a question. And you know what the best part is? The sample papers are of various levels and you can solve them according to your level of preparation. Easy, medium, hard. This ensures a well-rounded preparation. This includes CBSE's past 5-year paper trend analysis and comparative analysis. And the most important thing is the time management, without which even if you know each and every answer in the question paper, you cannot answer it without a proper time management. These books also ensure that your time management is good. So guys, what are you waiting for? Just purchase these books. It's totally worth it. So if you wish to buy these books, I'll provide the Amazon link and PW store link in the community as well as in the description box. And you can use my coupon code SHT150, which is valid only in the PW store app for a special discount. So getting back onto the vlog, my grandma has come over to my house. She bought so many fruits for me and my family. And while I was studying, she was peeling the fruits for me. This is so sweet. Grandparents are always sweet. So yeah, let's get back with the flow. We were talking about chances. And once you got a chance, start doing. Start working on the chance. And of course, demotivation is the cause of backlogs. Demotivation is the cause of pausing our studies. Demotivation is the cause of distraction. So ये demotivate होना कैसे बंद करें? Well, here I have shared a few clips of my first quarterly exam. Since it has become very hard to manage the college के exams and also this JEE mains की पढ़ाई, I am studying a day before the exam, which has become so hectic. Stress बहुत हो रहा है, इसलिए I cannot manage vlogging and studying at the same time. So इस बार no quarterly exam week vlog. Demotivation is very common, but you have that will in you that you will and I will and I can. Nothing can stop you from getting into it. I mean, not getting into demotivation, but getting into a proper study plan and starting our studies again with full focus and determination. This will automatically rise a sincerity in you. Be sincere. Nobody trusts the man who doesn't trust himself. And look into the other fellow's eyes in such a way, इतने confidence के साथ देखो that he will automatically trust you. You know what? If you realized it or not, if we are lacking with inability and knowledge, we are excused many times. But with insincerity, no, never. Because sincerity is more than money. If you are sincere enough, you can achieve something bigger than money. Because it's an asset to draw people's attention and chances and great works in our record. So, Start being sincere and stop troubling yourself that yesterday was a failure. Stop it, guys. The one that faces you is today, and then you will realize that this day have been far better than yesterday. Keeping studies apart, let's talk about our everyday life. Let's talk about the environment we are surrounded in, and let's talk about the people who are around us, because they are the ones who will influence over us later. The environment you're surrounded by is actually what matters for a peaceful life, and if your present environment hinders you, just walk away from it. Hunt out for a new environment, but don't stay back at the same environment which has been haunting people you. Who form the habit of getting things done make their own environment. So create the environment in such a way that it attracts the human beings, that it draws the attention of humans. Uniqueness is what that makes it happen. Be unique from others. Stop following the same idea that they are following. Be unique, that people will automatically chase around you, but not you chasing around them. So overall, what I wanted to say with this topic of environment is that your environment is what you choose it to be. The other's environment is what according to they have created, but not according to your opinions and your choices. Well, I've ordered some cute stuff for my friend's birthday, so here is a small haul of it. You know, it was a 17th birthday and my plan was to give 17 gifts on her 17th birthday. So I started haunting gifts for her a month before. So mostly I ordered online, but whenever I go to a mall or a mini store, I used to collect chote items for her. This made it easy for me, not creating a chaos at the last minute. And being a teenager and being a school or college going student, most of us have been facing a thing called backstabbing. The main reason to share this with you is because most of us experience this, and the best answer for it is silence. Silence in many times is golden. Don't talk back. Be silent, because the world's great doers, either it's a man or woman, they're all just a few words. Look around you. You admire the silent people, right? Those who mind their own business and build their personality. Backstabbers are useless. They don't have any work to do, and you just can't waste your precious time on them. You can't get mad at them because there's nothing you can steal from them. The silence is our wealth, and every time we walk along the street of backstabbers, you know, they keep speaking in volumes, but you should always be silent, because that's the best and golden answer. Well, we have finally come to an end of the vlog. I hope you all enjoy this video. I'll upload very soon. Till then, goodbye, take care, and keep following me on YouTube. Bye.